Alright, children, let's go ahead and get started. So for on this question, you gotta make a tree map first. So you gotta put your starting point. You're gonna do your start. And then you're gonna make your path. So you have your upper path, middle path, lower path. And then the upper path has no exit, exit, no exit. And then the middle path only has no exit, and exit, no exit. Now from here, you're gonna find the experimental probability. And to do that, you're gonna list out all of your choices. So I could have an upper path with no exit, an upper path with an exit, upper path with no exit, middle path, no exit, lower path exit, and then lower path no exit. There's a total of 6, and we were looking for the ones with an exit, so there were 2, simplifies to 1/3. That's your answer for experimental. Now for theoretical, this is where you have to put your fractions in. So this was 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, because there were 3 options. And then same thing, these are all 1/3. And then you have your 1/2 and 1/2. I'm looking for the ones that have an exit. So I'm going to follow 1/3 times 1/3, and that, write that down. And then I'm going to follow the other one, 1/3 times 1/2. When you multiply all of those out, you get, I believe, 5 out of 18. And that'll be your answer for your theoretical probability. Now, for the next one, your tree is going to get a little bit crazy, so I'm only going to show you part of it. You have your seniors, and I'm going to have my starting point again. You have to start somewhere. And you have seniors, juniors, sophomores, and freshmen. And then we have seniors with an A, seniors with a B, seniors with a C, seniors with a D, and then seniors with an F. Same thing for the rest of these. I could repeat these on juniors, seniors, and freshmen, so I'm not going to do that, but you know that's what you could do. Then from the A's you have females and males. For the B's you have females and males. For the C you have females and males. D, females and males. And then same thing for that last one. Now it's asking for the probability of seniors, and before that I need to find the total. In order to find the total, there were 4 categories here, and then 5 of them here, and 2 of them here. 4 times 5 times 2 gives us 40, so that should be your total for all of these. And we're looking for the probability of being a senior. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seniors. So for the first one, it's 10 out of 40. And then seniors not failing. So I'm going to take all the ones that have a D or above, which is all of those right here. That's 8 out of 40. And then you would do the same idea for, I'm going to write it over here because it's being easier. 8 out of 40. Okay, well, probably if a senior is not failing is 8 out of 40. I don't know why this thing is not behaving. It doesn't want to write it down. Oh, there you go, 8 out of 40. And then of course you have to simplify your fraction. Gonna go from there. Your tree for that one should be a lot easier on your test anyway. I'm not gonna make anything too crazy, so you should be okay. Then determine the check digit D for the UPC number. This is the one where you gotta do your weights 3131. So I'm gonna do every other number multiply it by 3. So 3 times 6 plus 8 plus 3 times 1 plus 1 and so on. When you do that, it gives you 80 if you try it out all the way through. And since I want a number that ends in 0, then the check digit D has to be 0. If it would have ended up like a 73 or something, that would have turned into a 7 and all of that other good stuff. So I'm gonna make another video for the rest of these like that. It kind of splits them up a little better. So if you need a question from one of the other ones, you can do that. Watch the other one.